Eki Alpi Daglardan. I'm standing near the border of Italy and Slovenia, a little bit like the border of Altai and Tava, with Ergaki right there. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? It's so inspiring when you see the mountains. You just want to go, oh, yeah. And I'm so thankful that the Tuvan people are preserving the art of Khoomei so we can all appreciate the sonic landscapes around us. When you hear all the notes that are being produced by the Tuvan voice, then you hear more and more in your soundscape. So thanks again, congratulations on preserving the art form of Khoomei, and I wish you success for many, many years. Izig Bayır!